Good morning all. My name is Krishnagajan Popala. Today's topic is modifiers. Modifiers. In Java specifies the accessibility. There are two types of modifiers. There are access modifiers and non-access modifiers. First one, access modifiers. Second one, non-access modifiers. Access modifiers. Access modifiers are divided into four types. One, private. Second, default. Third one, protected. Fourth one, public. First one, private. Second one, default. Third one, protected. Fourth one, public. Private modifier. A private modifier is within the class and it cannot access outside the class. And cannot access outside the class. Outside class. Default. Default, the access level of a default modifier within the package, it cannot access the outside the package. Outside package. Protected. The access level of a product modifier is within the class and within the package. Public. The access level of a public modifier is within the package and outside the package, and within the class and outside the class. Within package and outside the package. There are access modifiers are these four types. Non-access modifiers are three types. There are static, final, abstract. First one static. Second one final. Third one abstract. Static. A static is a memory management. Keyword is used variables and classes and block of code. The syntax of the static keyword is class name dot variable. Syntax of a method. Class name dot method name of syntax of a block of code. Static. First is the block of code will be executed. Then the remaining code will be executed. Final is the using for variables, methods and classes. Final is using a variable. The variable value is constant. Variable value constant. Method. Final using the method cannot be overridden. method. Next one, classes. A final keyword has a classes that cannot be inheritance. Abstraction. Abstraction is the achieving of OOPS concept. There are two ways: abstraction classes and interfaces. First one, abstract classes. Second one, interfaces. Abstraction. There are a classes, methods, class methods. In abstraction, no code will be written. In method, in class, no class will be written. First we take class name. Class name has taken as 1. Next we as a private modifier. We use private as a keyword. The int as a data type, variable name, and as some value. Take a method. Demo as a method. Assign a some execute demo method. Code will be closed. Take a main class. Take a main class as a private modifier and main method. Class name dot object equal to new class name of call the demo method. The private access modifier code will be completed. Thanks for giving this opportunity.